Okay guys, so I'm on the iPhone. I got my Carhartt hat on. We're going to pick up a free jet ski. That is right. We found this in the dumpster. I'll edit a photo in of it sitting in the dumpster, and if I don't, that means I just didn't know how. And yeah. So yeah, we're going to pick up a free jet ski. I'm gonna have my key with me. I'm waiting for him. I'm at his house. And yeah, see you guys when we're getting the jet ski out of the dumpster. Mookie!
What in the world?
What do we got here, Mookie? We got ourselves a jet ski. Okay guys, so I probably look a little bit different. I got a haircut and everything, but I'm editing the video up right now. And I can't seem to get the image to upload to the video editing software in a certain way because the dimensions of the image. So I got it loaded up right here on my phone. If it focuses, come on. There we go. So yeah, there's the jet ski. As you can see, it's in the dumpster right there. And I have no footage of getting it out because it was like -13 out. And it was so windy and cold. And I didn't want to be carrying around. I didn't have a cameraman or anything. And I had to back my truck up. And I had to help like tie it down. And I was freezing my butt off. And so I didn't get the camera out because I was just so focused on just getting it in the truck bed. That because the person driving the skid lifter, I didn't want to waste his time or anything. I just wanted to get it done with real quick. But if I had an extra buddy with me there, I would have had him record, which I had my key, but he was helping with the lifting and everything. So yeah, I had to drive my truck up, I had to back it up and everything, and we had to tie the straps around the jet ski. And it was really cold out, so that's my little reason why. But I wish now, looking back on it, I would have videoed it because it was a pretty cool process. But yeah. There it is. There's your proof that this thing is sitting right there in a dumpster, and we had to lift it out, and it was so cold. As you can see, there's snow on the jet ski and everything. So yeah, there was also a burrito frozen to it, which I thought was pretty funny. But yeah, there's the photo of the jet ski in the dumpster, and hope you guys enjoy the rest of this video. Okay guys, so we just got that jet ski you saw, and we need a trailer for it now. And Gibby's neighbors actually have a trailer in the woods. So we're about to, they're older, so we have masks on. We're about to go in there and ask them if we can have the jet ski trailer and hopefully get it for free, so we can get a free jet ski and a free trailer. Oh, I'm so nervous.
It's scary. Why is it scary?
I don't know why it's so scary. I don't know these people. Okay guys, so we just got done talking to the people. They said we could have it, so we went in the woods and we just struggled for about half an hour trying to pull this thing out because there was a huge utility trailer in front of it and it was like frozen to the ground. But yeah, check out the new jet ski trailer for free. Oh dude, look at that sunset.
Yeah,
holy crap.
Check it out.
But yeah, this is gonna go in the YouTube video. This is on my iPhone because I keep forgetting my camera. So yeah, but jet ski trailer for free, and then dumpster jet ski for free. Can't get much better than this. Can't wait to try and register all this stuff. It's gonna be very interesting. But yeah, there's a look at the free jet ski trailer. And yeah, probably hop into the garage real quick and I'll give you a little overview of the jet ski we got because you haven't seen a lot of the jet ski yet. But yeah, this is freaking sweet. Oh, I'm shaking. Sorry guys, it's so cold. But the one problem we're having right now, sorry, this is hard to hold, is the ball is the wrong size. So we're gonna go look for the right size ball. I'm pretty sure it's like an inch and 5/8. I don't know what size it is. But I have a 2-inch ball and it's not that, that's for sure. But yeah, going in and checking the four-wheeler, see what it has on it. Here's the boat project we've been working on. We'll start posting videos on that too. We're doing the seats right now. We have the whole inside torn out. So yeah, we're working on putting new floor in it, rotted out. So yeah, stay tuned for that too. Okay guys, we ran home and we got the right size ball. We didn't have it here anywhere at Gibby's house, but we did have one at my house. So we only had the ball, so we swapped it onto hitch thing, unbolted it, and unbolted a 2-inch one and put whatever this is, a 1-inch and like 7/8. What size is the hitch, Ball?
7/8.
It's a 7/8, yeah. So 1-inch 7/8. And look at this. We plugged in the trailer lights, and this thing's been sitting there for maybe like 10 years. And look at that. They work. And look, the license plate light even lights up, and the side marker. I don't think you can get more lucky than this. The side marker on this side looks to be burnt out, but man, is that sweet. For free, guys, don't forget, for free. Like, this thing even works. It's rusted up, but like it cranks forwards and backwards. So all you do is put some PV blaster, but like this will tighten and loosen. It is freaking mint. The tires had air in them too. Both tires are fully inflated. Yes, they're dry cracked, so we will need new tires, but did not even have to air up the tires. I call that a win. Like, look at that. Isn't that sweet? And look, these things are not torn up or not rotted. They're secured to the frame. Oh, well, secured on this side, I guess. Okay, one bolt is, as you can see right there. Just drill a bolt back in it. Should be fine. But yeah, wood's not rotted out. Axle's fine. We're gonna repack the bearings if they're somewhat decent. If they're terrible, we're just gonna replace them. But yeah, the hitch, I would like to put a safety thing through here, so I'm just gonna re-drill it since it's a little bit offlined. But yeah, we got the safety chains hooked up, we got our lights hooked up, we're good to go. Not registered or street legal, but we live in Mexico, so it should be fine. See you guys when we get to the nice garage. And now I'll show you an overview of the jet ski that we purchased for free. Well, we actually got it out of a dumpster for free. We did not purchase anything.
Pulling away with it?
Yeah, sure. Okay guys, so the last clip you guys saw was us picking up the trailer. And so look, we already got the jet ski on the trailer. We got it hooked up to the old truck here, and it looks super sweet. Trailer fits perfectly-ish. We'll make do with what we got, and yeah, here she is. And it's a Kawasaki ST. Got a cool retro paint, or not paint, but color scheme going on it. And yeah, motor, the nice thing about this motor is it doesn't look like it's been messed with by anybody. So I don't see any stripping of any bolts or nothing. So I already threw a new battery in it, and here's the motor. So yeah, I've tinkered with it though. I took this off, and in the next video you'll figure out if it starts or not. I already know if it does or doesn't, but yeah, I've tinkered with it, and stay tuned for the next video where we try and start this thing. But yeah, here's a little look of the free jet ski and free trailer. Jet ski actually found in a dumpster, but yeah, can't wait to do this little build series. Might, depending on if it runs or not, it'll be a quick or short series. But yeah, we got to paint the trailer, and any paint suggestions or cool ideas to do with the jet skis, put them in the comments. But yeah, here she is. Here, let me put the seat back on. Oh, let me set you guys down. Boom. I gotta get a nice thumbnail video too, photo too. But yeah, there we go. I gotta make it focus on it. There's the jet ski in all its glory. It's also, the motor is a 250 twin carbureted, so yeah, can't wait for you guys to see the next video on if it runs or not. Okay, I'm gonna cut in again. I'm editing, and I realized that I pronounced the jet ski wrong. I said ST instead of STS. And also right when the clip ended, I said it's a 250. It's a 750. I don't know why I said that, but yeah. Just wanted to correct myself. But yeah. Okay guys, in the other video I realized I forgot to do an outro. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe and like the video. Also, the next video on if it runs or not should be out. So go watch that. Just go to the channel and scroll through the videos and find it. Or maybe if I'm skilled enough, I'll have it so that it pops up after the video. We'll see. And yeah, see you guys. Have a good one.